Hello students, today our class is about zero conditional. The zero conditional, we use the zero conditional to describe situations that are always true. Example, if you mix red and yellow, you get orange. If you wear a face mask, you protect you of coronavirus. You protect you of coronavirus if you wear a face mask. Three examples. In the first one, notice in red color the word if in the second, and if in the third. So, but three different sentences. It's real. If you mix the red color and the yellow color, you get the orange color. You mix the red color and yellow color and get orange. If you wear a face mask, you protect you of coronavirus. In this exercise, notice the two parts. If you mix red and yellow, you get orange, two parts separated by a comma. The first part, if you wear a face mask, comma, you protect you of coronavirus, two parts. You can use the sentence first and the second sentence twice in verse. So you can say you protect you of coronavirus if you wear a face mask. Notice that in this sentence, the first part is here now to protect you of coronavirus. But notice this, you don't have a comma when you have the if part at the second one, the second part. Okay? And the first one, when you say if at the beginning, comma, and the other part. So the zero conditional sentences has two parts. The if clause, because you can see the word if, and the other is the situation. Okay, this is the the result of this action. If part and the if clause, and this is the cause clause. You can say or you can write inverse. You can mention first that you protect you of coronavirus if you wear a mask. As you can see, these examples talk about real information. You can say that you are really sure that if you mix red and yellow, you get orange. Is it true? It's always true. Let's see. So the zero conditional has two parts, the if clause and the result clause. These are separated by a comma. But remember, this is only one sentence. Look at the example. If you eat fruit, your body works better. Notice this, the two parts. In the first part, the if clause, you can see the word if. And in the result clause, you have the answer or the reflect to this action, to this situation. But notice this. These are the verbs. If you eat, your body works. Both of them are in present simple or simple present, as you can say. Simple present or present simple. In both cases, present simple. Then, so you can use in this expression or in this sentence like this. But you can inverse. You can use or you can mention this. Your body works better if you eat fruit. If you eat fruit. So in this part, this is the result clause and this is the if clause. As you can see, they are in different way, but this is the same idea. Okay, so you have result clause at the beginning and the if clause at the end. Two parts. Okay, let's continue. Task 1 or exercise or practice. Read and write the condition. You study before an exam. You get good grades. How you can write the situation or the condition? In two ways, two different ways. Practice right now. The first one, because the comma, if is in the first part. If you study before an exam, you get good grades. This is the result. So, write about inverse way. Write it here. Very good. You get good grades if you study before an exam. As you can see, you don't have or you don't use a comma because the if part is in the second place. You get good grades if you study before an exam. Good. Now, okay, don't forget that the zero conditional has two parts, the if clause and the result clause. Result clause of the if clause. And in both of them, the verb is in the simple present. Study, get. In both cases. In the first, get in the simple past, in simple present, and study in simple present. Don't forget that. So, now I'm gonna give you a homework in a Word document, so you have to do it at home. Good luck. That's all for today. The class is over. See you next class, students. Don't forget to do the homework. Don't forget to do it. Bye bye. See you next class.